Hi everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the star pyramid pattern. So this is the pattern that we have discussed and this was the code that we had written. So now we are going to convert this into Python code. So first of all read n. So n is int of input. Then we have I equal to 1. So I equal to 1 while I is less than equal to n. So we are in the loop for rows, okay? So for each row what we need to do? We need to print some spaces. So spaces is 1 while spaces is less than equal to n minus I. We will print a space and we'll go to the new line. Okay, oh sorry, we'll increment the count of spaces. In Python, every print statement ends with a new line, so we have to end it with a empty character. Okay, so we don't want a new line after a space. So then we have to print stars. So stars is 1. So while stars is less than equal to 2 into I minus 1, we'll do some work. We'll print a star and we'll increment the count of stars by 1, which is very similar to this one. And after that, we have to print a new line, which is like this, and I is incremented. That's it. And then we exit. So we are not putting this inside a function. So this should be okay. So let's try to run this code and see our output. So if I say okay, Python 3 star pyramid, if n is 3, I get this pattern. If n is 4, I get this pattern. 5, I get this pattern. That means our code is working perfectly fine. And you can see that again, the pseudocode is very similar to the real code, and any pseudocode can be converted into real code very easily.